Hey dear, welcome to you in my YouTube channel. In this tutorials, I am going to show you how to create custom FAQ page and add accordion on your Shopify online store in easy way. So if you are looking easy and fast solution to add FAQ accordion page on your Shopify online store, then you can continue this video. So let's get started. Here is an real example that I am going to draw right now, and you are going to learn how you can draw this in our Shopify online store. Okay, so I have published an article on my website bestfreeshopifytheme.com. I am going to my website right now, and here is the article. First, I'm going to create a template name FAQ in my Shopify online store. So I'm going to my Shopify online store right now. Here is my admin panel, and I'm going to create a new file name FAQ. To do this, I'm going to click on the online store, then click on the action button, select edit code. From here, open template folder, then click on the create a new template. Okay, so now I'm going to create a new template or add a new template. First, I'm going to select page, then template type liquid, and here is my template name FAQ. Then click on the create template button, and here is my FAQ template page. And we have done our first step. Now I'm going to add the following code in my template. So click on here to copy this code, select all and copy. Then I'm going to add this code under the content and just paste this code here. Click on the save. Okay, we have done step 2. Now I'm going to follow my step 3. Open the theme.css file. I'm going to search CSS right here, and here is my theme.css file, and go to the bottom, then copy this code from here under the step 3, select all, copy and paste it right here, paste, then click on the save. Okay, we have done step 3. Now I'm going to step 4, open the theme.js file. I'm going to just type JS here and open the theme.js from here. Here is my theme.js file. Go to the bottom, then go to my website and select the code, copy all code and paste this code right here. Click on the save. Now step 5, we have to create a new page called FAQ. So I'm going to create a new page. Go to my page section, then click on the add page, type a name of my page. So I'm going to type FAQ, then select FAQ template from here, click on the save. Done. Now going to visit my page. Awesome, so we have added FAQ with accordion in our Shopify online store. Now the question is that how you can update the content or change the text. To do this, you have to go to your admin panel, then click on the online store, then click on the action button, edit code, open your FAQ template. So just search FAQ. Here is the FAQ template or page. Then from here you can change or update all the text as your requirement or as your need. So I hope you understand, and if you need any help or any support, then you can contact with me for Shopify relevant support or WordPress relevant support or service. So thank you for your time to watch this video. If you think this video is helpful, then click on the like button and subscribe to my channel. Have a nice day. Bye bye.